In November 1921, the Congress Working Committee appointed a committee headed by, of course, a Muslim, Faiz Tyabji, to understand the kind of outrages that were committed against Hindus in Malabar. It had to be headed by a Muslim, of course, because how can a Hindu be fair? It is only a Muslim who can fairly evaluate whether his co-religionists murdered Hindus. There were two Muslims in the panel and only one Hindu, because Hindus who are being killed don't really deserve a voice. In a few months' time, the committee was disbanded without really carrying out an investigation. At the Congress National Session held in Ahmedabad in 21, the acting president, again a Muslim, Mr. Hakim Ajmal Khan, expressed regret over these scandalous events. There was a resolution which was proposed to condemn the violence. Guess why it didn't go through? Because one Mr. Hasrat Mohani opposed the resolution to condemn the Moplah violence. In the 36th annual session, of course, the Congress leaders distanced themselves from the violence, hardly condemned it, and blamed the British instead of the Moplah Muslims who had declared jihad against Hindus and on record wanted to rid Malabar of the Kafirs.